Here's the ravine. There's the ravine above your property. There's a guy over there. I can hear him talking. Oh, look at that. It took out that fence, or it laid over the fence. There's a little piece of fence there. Sorry about that. Hope you didn't get dizzy. So, water coming in off of this area, down to the ravine. There's the main tunnel, whatever, 4 feet around. Yeah, if this is 4 feet, then the pipes down on your property, they are not big enough. Here's the other side of the road going in. And that's got a good flow. It's handling it. Well, anyway, we'll have to check out what this culvert is. That's all water right there. Flowing through that fence. You can see the flow back there behind the fence. Yeah, this culvert's handling this amount just right. It's got to be mostly because a log was laying down in front of your culvert. But the second culvert down on the lower part of your property, that one's a concern because it's not big enough. It's not the right. It's no good. I think it was only 2 feet. That one looks like it's 4 feet. Unless it's a half dome for some reason. I'll come check it out in a couple days. Woo-wee, that was a lot of rain. Trevor and Camilla's yard driveway got flooded because the culvert in front of their house overflowed. And it just started flowing down the driveway and down along the side where his office door is. Fortunately, it didn't overflow into the house anywhere, but there was a lot of water. That's interesting. This guy's little mini culvert drains into the main culvert right there under his driveway. Sorry, nothing for you guys.